Hi, I'm Jamie with the Law Office of Ronald Cossack. Today we will be looking at spousal maintenance. We will look at what spousal maintenance is, how it's determined, and how to navigate questions around it during a divorce. So, what is spousal maintenance? Spousal maintenance is often referred to as alimony. Basically, it is a court-ordered continuance of income to a non-wage earning or lower wage earning spouse during or after a divorce. The reason why a court will order a higher wage earning spouse to provide spousal maintenance is to help ensure that both parties will be able to maintain a reasonable standard of living, usually based on the standard of living established during the marriage. What are some of the factors that can determine the amount of spousal maintenance to be paid? As mentioned, the wage history of each party is a major factor. A huge disparity in income will play a significant role in how much should be paid. On top of that, factors like the involvement of children, the specific needs of each party, the work histories, and the educational backgrounds will all play into determining who will pay spousal maintenance and how much. By working with trusted attorneys, you will also be able to negotiate whether or not alimony will be temporary or permanent, and whether or not it is subject to adjustments in the future. These are major decisions that can impact both parties and the family as a whole for many years to come. It's imperative that you work with expert and trusted attorneys. That's what you get with the Law Office of Ronald Cossack. Contact us today to schedule a consultation.